How to delete DeepSeek account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your DeepSeek account. So if you have decided you no longer want to use the app and you want to completely delete it, then I'll show you to delete it. So without further ado, let's start by opening the DeepSeek app. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, a menu will pop out. From that menu, you simply have to tap on your profile email shown in the bottom of that menu. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to your profile section. In this section, you can see the option labeled delete account. Simply tap on that. And after that, a confirmation message will pop out asking if you are sure to delete an account. You simply have to tap on delete and follow the on-screen prompts, and your account will be permanently removed from the DeepSeek. And that's it. Your account has now been deleted and you will be logged out of the app. And you will be taken to the login screen where you can sign up again if you change your mind. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.